Okay, so I am back again with another live trading session here using Qline and Moneyball on the NQ 1 second chart with a 3-box Renko. Some things I'm looking at this morning, we had obviously this massive sell-off from yesterday. Previous video, I had taken a little short up here, back here at market open. Once again, same idea. I have these levels plotted out. These are just major pivot points at various levels. What you do, if you haven't watched our training yet, you get this when you sign up for our QuantVue system. You get over 10 plus hours of amazing training content from our head trader, Chris. Decades of experience trading futures and FX and other various markets. One of the key things is trade location. Might be the most important sections of the video course. As he states in those modules, you start from the most recent point and just work your way back where price tends to pivot or hang out. And then once price runs through those, obviously that zone is invalidated. So as you can see, we're approaching a pretty significant longer term support level here. Probably going to get a bull alert, 2-to-1, and just target this previous aqua blue ribbon. As you can see, we're getting aqua blue on the Qline tight stops, no more than the outer band here. And then once you get a 1-to-1, also, as Chris states in the training, there's a whole section on trade management and risk. Once you get into a 1-to-1 RR, you would go ahead and move your stops to break even. Obviously, might not be the most fun situation to be a buyer today. I mean, we are just seeing massive sell-off. This sell-off can obviously continue. This is the next pivot point that I'd be keeping an eye on. So we will just see. Also, these are the Qline settings, same as the last video, nothing's changed. Using the standard Qline setup. Stay tuned. Okay, as you can see, we got this bull alert. Actually just missed it, but I'll go ahead and hop in here.
Order filled.
And then stops no more than the bottom part of the bands. So what is that? Where did I get filled? 2970. And then once I get to break even, once I get to a 1-to-1, what I'll do is move stops to break even. If not, if we get blipped out, that's fine. But main reason for taking this trade, got the flip here on the money ball, approaching a major support level from the past. So we'll see if we can't push up. Going to target this most recent pivot here. See if I can't catch a little nice move here. Going into just before the open, it's 902 here. So let's see if we can't push up. Go ahead and just move them to break even now. Got to that 1-to-1 area. See if we can't hit our take profit here. And we are open. Wow, sellers just coming right in. The battle begins. There we go, about to get ticked out here.
Order filled.
There we go. Nice little move to start the day. And that's it. Bulls stepping in big time. Let's see what we got here. Boom, there's your 2-to-1 to start the day. Could have even, let that thing rip further. You could have just sold one off. Once you get to that 1-1, maybe just sell one off, take some profit. Basically same approach as yesterday though. We are approaching this major pivot point here. Got this flip on the trend indicator. Got the flip here on the money ball. Started to see buyers stepping in. This is why trade location, it's something that Chris emphasizes basically in every single one of our training modules here. Right there, approached this long-term level. Buyer stepped in. Nice little move right out of the gates. We'll see how much this thing runs. Next, if you're looking to hang on into that trade, say you had taken that alert, you would just target. So in that trade, I targeted just this most recent pivot. And then, you could have targeted this one. Just look for these flips in the trend indicator. And then this would have been the next little pivot point here up at the 15103 level. So pretty straightforward system. Keep those stops tight. The system's built for prop trading. That way you don't get blown out of your positions. Another live recording. Let's see what we had here. 990. Nice little day. Nice little morning. If you want access to this exact same system that I'm using in these live recordings, go ahead, click the link in the description. You can try it risk-free for 7 days. Get that free trial going. You'll get access to our private Discord community, all of our indicators, all of our head traders. You'll get 3 market reports every single week. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to follow us on Twitter. We post daily trade setups. That's it. Nice little 2-to-1 to start the day. If you had hung in here, if that's what you were targeting, I was targeting this recent pivot. That's all I got for you in this one. Everything you need to get started with the system, the community, everything is going to be in the description below. See you in the next one.